Right inside of me, guiding me, finally, I can see you. Right inside of me, guiding me, finally, I believe you.
Hey everybody, welcome to Everbloom Yarns. Today I'm going to be doing a basic crochet heart. So if you saw the last video, you saw me tell you to practice just the regular little crochets. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the crochet hearts. So first we're going to start with the materials that you need. First of all, please, if you like these videos, if you think that they're good tutorials, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and please share. And also feel free to visit my website where I use the funds made from my products to feed the homeless. The goal is to do it once a month. I'm sorry, not feed them. I use the money to get them essentials like toothbrushes, toothpaste, combs, brushes, socks. I want to start crocheting them pillows and blankets just for at nighttime so that they're more comfortable. Hats if they like it as well. So feel free to check out my website and subscribe so that you're alerted on all the updates and things like that. But yeah, we're gonna get started. I don't want to talk too much. First thing you're gonna need is some yarn. You know, I really don't have a preference for yarn. I don't know if it's because I kind of consider myself, I'm a little bit past a beginner. So I'm not exactly a beginner, but I'm not to the point to where I know the difference between the different yarns. Like, this is the brand that I always use and it always works. So, yeah. And of course, you're going to need your hooks. This is the one that was gifted to me, which I love and appreciate this gift so much. It has like all different sizes of the crochet hooks. But my favorite is this one. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I think, the way that I actually learned hearts before I learned hats before I learned hearts. So looking back, I would start with simple stuff like this just so that you get more comfortable with just like the whole crocheting part. But yeah, we're going to get started here. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to do your magic circle, which I think I showed you guys how to do this. Not 100% sure if I did, but this is essentially all you're doing. I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. Hold on. Okay. So I don't know if I showed you guys a magic circle, but I want to show you guys now. Okay, so of course you hold it like this, wrap it around your fingers, and you're going to cross it over. So it should be like this. And then I hold it right in between there. So there's this one that I'm holding in between the same finger as where this one is sitting. And you essentially do the same stuff. Just watch closely, pull it through. You want to wrap it. You're going to turn it once you pull it through. And then you're just going to pull your fingers out. I hold it here just so that I can pull my fingers out. Boom, just like that. And that gives you your magic circle. This is how I do it. There's not just one way to do things. I hope you guys know that if you're an adult. Just kidding. Just a little humor in there. Anyways, so that's the magic circle. I'm going to go ahead and chain two. Let me do that again just in case y'all didn't see. So we're going to chain one. And we're going to chain another one. And that's 2 chains in there. And the circle's here with my 2 chains. Alright. From there, you're going to do, I'm going to insert on the screen what the name of it is because I forgot. But so basically, you're just wrapping it around twice now after you do that. So let me try again. You're gonna wrap it around twice. 1, 2. And then you're just gonna go in the circle and pull your yarn through. Just like that. Let's see, make sure I'm angled well. And then you're gonna wrap it around again. Pull it through 2 of the loops. You're gonna cross over again, pull it through 2 of the loops. And you're gonna cross over again and you're gonna pull it through 2 of the loops. Okay, once you do that, you're gonna do one more. So watch closely. This is what you should have right now is the circle. Make sure it's focused. You got a circle with these 2. Now, don't panic because I know you don't see it now, but it is gonna start to come together. So, and take your time. Keep in mind, if you're a beginner, you're gonna have to do this for a little while. Like I've been crocheting for at least 1.5 years now. And I started with knitting. So I've been doing this for about 2 years. So be patient with yourself. But I'm just going to do the same thing again. Wrap it over twice. And I'm going to put it through this hole here. And I'm going to pull that piece right there. I'm going to pull it through. This one. I'm going to pull it through. And then I'm going to wrap it around again. And I'm going to pull it through 2. Wrap around. Pull it through 2. Same, and then do it one more last time. Pull it through 2. Okay. So once you do that, you're gonna double crochet 3. So that's just a basic, do it over once, put it through, pull it out. It's basically the same thing, but you're not wrapping it over twice. So I'm gonna do 2 more. One more. All right. Now, believe it or not, this is 1/2 of your heart. Hold on. This is 1/2 of your heart. You're gonna do the first one that we did, you're gonna do 1 more of those right here. So cross it over twice, pull it through, pull that yarn through, wrap it over, pull it through 2, and then wrap it over, pull it through 2, and then 1 more, wrap it over, pull it through 2. This is 1/2 of the heart. You're gonna see it really soon once we pull this line right here. So that one chain that you do, that's basically the bottom and pointy end of the heart. I don't know if y'all can see it yet, but this is 1/2 of a heart. If not, you'll see it soon. And again, if you need to rewind or slow it down, there is an option on YouTube where you can slow it down. But just take your time and then just enjoy, learning how to do it. Just enjoy the journey. All right, the next thing you're gonna do is, now you're gonna do it backwards. Because keep in mind, we're making a heart. So we're gonna do the bottom half of the heart first and then the top half. So this time, we're gonna start with 3 double crochet. So that means you're gonna put it over once. See that? I'm gonna do it again. You're gonna put it over, put this one here over once. All right, so that's 1/2 of the heart. So you're gonna, just like that, pull it through 2, cross over, pull it through 2. All right, and you're gonna do that 2 more times. Cross over, pull it through, pull it through 2, pull it through 2. Then cross over 1, put it through the hole, pull the yarn through, pull it through 2, pull it through 2. All right. You're gonna go back to you're basically doing the same thing, but where you're crossing it over twice. Again, I forgot the name of it, so I'm gonna put it on the screen. And I'm also gonna include a tutorial for that in here, so don't worry. That's gonna be on my channel before this comes out. All right, so gonna do that 3 times. And it's okay to pull this one a little bit, the short one a little bit. If it's getting super short, it's okay to pull it. So there we go. Go twice, go over twice. Let me do that one more time. This is the heart. We're wrapping up the heart right now. So twice, put it through the hole, Put the yarn through the hole, back through the hole, pull it through 2, pull the yarn over. Make sure it's focused here. Pull it through 2, put the yarn over, pull it through 2. Pull it over twice, put it through the hole and pull the yarn back through that same hole, pull it over, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, pull it through 2. This is the fun part, okay? So you're gonna chain twice. So that's just a regular chain. That's the basic, regular chain. 1, 2, all right? And then you're gonna slip stitch in the middle of the circle. So you're gonna slip stitch in the middle of the circle. You're gonna put this in the hole here and pull the yarn through. And you're also gonna pull it through this here too. Boom. Now you're gonna want to pull this, and then you're also gonna want to chain 1. So chain 1 and then pull it. Now you can pull this little line right here too. So pull that and also just pull this. Pull that. So from there you really just like pulling both of the, you're pulling this little, pulling this little part here, and you're also pulling this part right here. So you pull both of them, and guess what you get? Okay, and then also you can pull the part that's not hanging, just so that you can tighten this part. You can pull it. As you can see, we have a heart, a very, very pretty heart. So here you want to take your scissors, and honestly it doesn't matter what kind of scissors you use, or if it does matter, I don't know. I just got this because like I wanted to invest in my little stuff, because I love to crochet so much. But yeah, so you can just cut a little piece off here. Okay, so I'll pull it through. All right. And here you have it. This is how I make my hearts, and I have put this on hats. I have put this on ear muffles. So yeah, it's a lot of cool things you can put this on. I plan on putting it on a book cover, but I'll show you guys a separate tutorial for that. But yes, this is how you make it. I hope that this was easy. If you guys have any extra tips or anything, please leave it in the comments below. I will not be offended, I promise you. Like, we are here to learn this thing together. But yeah, guys, give this video a thumbs up. There will be more tutorials coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.